What day is it? What day is it? Hey. Okay, don't look. It is unboxing day. Woo! What do we have? Car parts is what we have. The puppies are excited for car parts. I'm excited for car parts. Let's see what we got. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, sir? No, he don't want to say hi. So it's going to be kind of hard to do this with one hand, but let's see what we got in the first box. I think I have an idea what this one is. And first box for Boosted Nation. Whoop, whoop. Trying to cut my finger off trying to do this one hand. And the outcome is 1, 2. So we have 2 silicone couplers. Where I'm from, you can't really buy much locally, so they are 3" to 2.5 for the truck build. Due to the fact is I'm using this 2.5" intercooler for now until I max it out because it was cheap and it was local. So there's that. Doesn't look like anything special. I bought them off Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. And the price wasn't much. I think the shipping cost me more than anything. Now, this stuff. What is next? This one's heavy. Kapow! This one came from China. And it is really well wrapped. Let's see here. I don't know how to even do this. Especially with one hand. So we're going to get... Let's see here. We are going to get... I already have an idea what this is because I had to pay duty on it. The wonderful joys of buying stuff overseas. Oh, this is going to be heavy. Now, I'll end up doing an actual review on this when it comes time. But this is the start of the truck build. If you aren't familiar with the truck build, it is going to be 6-liter turbo with a Turbonetics turbo. So it's kind of a cool deal. And it's short wheel drive. Should have brought a tripod in. Here we go. Let's see what this is. Kapow! So we have a nice, I think it's a 60 mil wastegate. Now, I did buy a knockoff, and I bought a knockoff for a reason. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy all the guts to a real one. What should do more than enough. Oh, I even got my new shifter for the truck build, Honda Civic truck build. Mugen, kind of lightweight. I don't know how I like that, but we'll figure that one out. We'll do reviews when it comes time for the truck build, but there is that. And actually, the Civic I bought is an automatic. So, V-band clamps. So it really doesn't look to be that bad. I'm pretty sure I paid $7 shipping for that, though. And then they charged me more shipping on this one. So there's a wonderful, nice blow-off valve. I will order a Summit rebuilt kit so I get the proper guts on the inside to make sure it works the way it should. And last but not for least, we have this big box, which was repackaged. Shout out to DHL. The driver was awesome. Calling me up today and telling me I had some packages and gave me the address since I wasn't home. And I'm pretty sure he follows me on Instagram, so shout out to him. I really wasn't prepared for this. This came from Amazon. It said it was repackaged because I'm assuming they probably thought it was drugs. Wonderful thing about having too many projects on the go. Oh, yeah. Now, the truck is getting forward-facing exhaust manifolds so I can build my turbo kit. V-band. check these bad boys out. I don't think these were overly priced. I think I paid $230 Canadian, so that's probably $5 American. Let's see here. Let's go over these welds. So, here we go. Forward-facing exhaust manifolds for the turbo truck build. Welds don't look terrible. Don't think that would be a bad thing. Looks like they got nice penetration all the way around. Slight undercut, but you're not going to see it. I don't think it's actually terrible. The only thing I'm concerned of is there's a little hole right there, but it doesn't look like it went through. It looks like they patched it, which you can see is their start and stop. So I'll keep an eye on it. If I have to, I'll re-weld it. I am a welder by trade, so that isn't a big deal. So there you have it, the first of many. So we have the forward-facing exhaust manifolds for the Chevy truck build with the Turbonetics turbo. The S256 is for the Neon. We have our wastegate. And we have our two couplers for the intercooler, which we need to get a lot more, and some stainless steel piping. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you want me to review some stuff, I will show a video taking this apart and actually rebuilding it with the proper stuff so it's not made in China. I love the fact it says made in the USA. It came right from China. But for $100 and some odd, I'm not going to complain. It beats the like $900 Canadian that they're worth, I believe. So we will compare it to a real one, see what it's like. I know tons of people running these on like 500 horsepower cars with rebuilt guts and not having an issue. So that's probably a good thing. Look at my finger. Woo. Anyways, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And get ready for many, many builds coming your way. Thanks a lot, guys.